I am getting ready to go to Junior's house. Junior's my homie. He does not know I bought this for the channel, so we'll see what he thinks about it. So I just saw him. He was recording from up there. Oh, this is gonna be hilarious. I just can't wait to see his reaction. It's a dually. Oh my god, it is hilarious. See if I can get his face. Fucking had it. I got it right. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to tell him he should get a vest.
What? So I was right.
Yeah, you're right. This is fucking filthy. You better wear like a fucking proof jacket or something, because
pick up my Versace.
you're gonna fucking have AIDS after you're done writing this.
So we're back. The reason we missed, what, 2 videos now?
2, 3 videos.
I'm not gonna throw them under the bus, but we've been busy. Doing other things. So you can see we got a new truck. We're gonna put a new bed on it, and yeah, it's part of the reason why we haven't been recording. But today we have a little bit of a different video. On the other side, the trike is still there. We're gonna finish that next week. Mother's Day is around the corner, and we're gonna do something we thought would be a good idea. We found it online, and we thought we might as well do it, so we're gonna give it a shot. It's pretty cheap too, so if you guys would like to do it, go at it. You just need a welder, that's about it, right?
Yeah, just a welder.
So we're gonna do that right now, but we thought we'd just keep it. We haven't uploaded in 2 weeks because family things, and also we got the truck. So we're gonna give you a good close look around the truck, and it's gonna be a crazy build. We'll show you some ideas we have for it, but we finally got a project, a long-term project. We got the trike. The trike will be done next week, finally.
For sure, hopefully. Cross your fingers, because that's like, I think that's the eternal.
I think this truck might get done before the trike. This trike's taking forever. But yeah, we're gonna give you a closer look, and then we'll go from there. The reason why it's so dirty is a farmer actually owned it. We got it from him, and he didn't drive it much. We would say he didn't really drive it much, but it's really dirty. We'll probably take it, get it clean, but you know we're gonna go mudding in it before we do that. So, but yeah, new truck, new car build, new truck build.
A lot of content.
A lot of content coming up, and until then, we're gonna start with this little project here, and then next week will be the trike, and then get started with the truck as well. So let's get into it.
No, it's just this one has to be a little bit up. Oh, you gotta get a hammer, guys, don't worry. Fall off.
Time.
12 minutes, stop.
12 minutes, 21 seconds. To make your Mother's Day.
To make your Mother's Day special. There you go, look at that. Still looks the same. From idea to real life. Just takes a few minutes. It's not
12 minutes exactly.
12 minutes exactly, and then, you know, my personal, I think, means more. Means more when it's built, not bought. That should be right.
Woo! 24 minutes.
24 minutes. Yeah, buddy. And then once it's all sanded down and everything good, because I gotta get like it's like a Dremel, so I can get in up in there and take all that stuff off. You know, like be able to get in. That way, you know, it's anything. And it's baby proof. So if you drop it, shouldn't break. I ain't gonna drop it just in case it breaks. It's easy, baby. I got my Mother's Day gift. You? We gotta baptize this. So I mean, if anybody, you know, we ain't got that many subscribers, but we need a name for this. So let us know. We got Clifford the Big Red Duramax, Dirty Max. Huh?
Everyone else's Mother's Day present. Look at flower. There's your finished product. Finished fucking product.
It's hot, dude.
Okay, I was supposed to make a list of them.
Oh my god.
There you go, finished product. We just gotta paint it and add some clear coat.
A lot of clear coat.
A lot of clear coat. There you go. 2 of them.
It's hot. How many times?
I know it's hot, but I didn't think it's fucking. Whatever. Alright, you ready to send it?
Be like this. Yeah, we are.
Send it! Just bottom out?
I don't know. I think so.
Alright guys, so now that we're done welding and everything, buffing it out where we need to, we're gonna go ahead and add the primer and then get this thing painted white. So let's do that. Alright guys, it's 3:21 a.m. and just finished painting it, so it's the final look. I think it looks pretty good. Now what's left is just putting the wine glasses and then whatever wine, tequila, or whiskey we choose to put there. Yeah, I think it came out awesome.